Hey guys, the reason I am doing this video is because, the reason you guys clicked on this video and I am making this video is because you guys and I want to tell you guys who Darth Angry Bird is. Yes, the guy inside most of my videos that looks almost exactly like me. Oh yeah, the phone unboxing video is coming out right now in a couple minutes because something won't let me put it on. But it's already unboxed, as you can see. So I need to post that video. I still haven't posted it. I don't know why. But the reason you guys are seeing this video is because of Darth Angry Bird. Okay. Number one. The reason he looks like me. He is not me. He is my twin brother. As much as that sounds like a lie, it's not. So, if you see me, and he has a cape with an Angry Bird on, he is not me. So yeah, don't get confused. He always wears that cape. He always chokes me. He always calls his mom. Wow, that really hurt when he first choked me though. And then he threw me into I'm not gonna say it, because it's gross. So yeah. He's not me. So yeah. Bye guys. See you guys next time. Oh yeah, right. I'm gonna tell you guys more details. The way he got the Force was from watching too much Star Wars. Yeah, totally. Oops. Yeah. So yeah, he watched way too much Star Wars. And he's my brother. So yeah. Thanks. I have to go throw out the trash. So, yeah. He's my brother. Bye.